Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you some common maintenance for your Eufy S1 Pro. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll start with the top of the vacuum first. Every once in a while, you just want to dust off the top. You will start to accumulate some dust and build up just throughout the vacuum as it's agitating and stirring up and driving around your house. So just make sure you keep everything nice and clean at the top. You can also pull off this magnetic cover. That'll give you access to the dustbin. If you ever want to change the filter or give this a nice clean, you can do all that here. Basically, we just pop this open. There's your filter. To breathe some new life into the filter, you can go ahead, just tap it a couple of times to get some of that really fine dirt and dust out. Then you can always swap that out with a new filter, or you can use some compressed air too if you want to clean it that way. And then you can take care of that screen as well too, keeping it free from obstructions. And on this side of the dustbin, we have a little latch right there. We can get access to the inside. If we ever want to wipe it down, you can. And then with the dustbin removed on the inside here, just keep an eye on that for any debris that might sneak in there that you can just clean and wipe out of the way. That takes us to the back side here with our water tank.
Dirty water reservoir removed.
Here's a look at that reservoir. We actually have a handle right here so we can gently pull this up. There's a really nice seal. And then you have access to the inside. Go ahead, wash and rinse that down every once in a while. And then you have a couple other little handles that you can pull up right here. And then they come out. You can visually inspect those. You shouldn't have to do much with those at all, but they are there and you do have access 1, 2, and 3. But you can wash that down every once in a while and they have instructions for you right there, which is nice. You can also very gently pull out this piece too to rinse off. So we're just going to gently work it out on both sides. Just like that. And you can rinse that filter off too. And then you'll notice we actually have another piece that we can remove right there. And then you can just gently press everything back in place. That leads us to the back side right here with our tank removed. On this side of our mop, we have a little release lever and we can take off the included mop roller and you can wash that if you want. And you can obviously replace that with a